Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Propertyware. Propertyware is a cloud-based property management software made for single-family rental portfolios. It helps landlords, property managers, and real estate investors manage rental units easily. With Propertyware, you can lease available properties online and accept rental applications. It also allows you to screen tenants with background and credit checks. Rent collection is automatic through online payments, which saves time and reduces late payments. It offers a basic plan for $100, a plus plan for $150, and a premium for $200 per month. Propertyware tracks maintenance requests and lets vendors update job progress. The software includes strong accounting tools to manage budgets, payments, and owner statements. Propertyware works well for both small property managers and large-scale investors. It also provides detailed reports to monitor performance and income. Customization is a key feature. It lets users adjust settings to match their workflow. You can even create your own branding on portals and documents. It integrates with QuickBooks and other real estate tools. For a free demo, enter your first name, last name, company, address, phone number, and number of units managed. Propertyware is mobile-friendly, so you can manage properties on the go. Overall, it simplifies rental operations from marketing to maintenance. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.